Now we will start with functions. What idea do you have about functions? Okay, the first thing that I'm going to define is suppose A and B are two non-empty sets. Then Cartesian product is the set of ordered pairs of A and B, which is into B is equal to A comma B, where A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B. Now, mathematically, any non-empty subset S of A cross B is called a function S. A belongs to capital A, which implies that A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B, such that ordered pairs of AB belong to S. Secondly, if A comma B1 belongs to S and A comma B2 also belongs to S, then B1 is equal to B2. We also say that then S is called a map or mapping. Okay. If S is a subset of A cross B, then A is called domain of S and B is called codomain of S. The possible values of B such that B, B belongs to capital B such that A comma B belongs to S is called range of S. It is custom to denote B like this. Okay. So this actually means the value or image of S at A. Okay. Now, here we will introduce some operations on set of real valued functions defined on a common domain. Number one, let us say there are two functions f and g. If you add them with respect to x, it means fx plus gx. These are two separate functions, but we will consider their addition if the functions are added individually. Thus, where a x is belonging to a. Secondly, f into g of x, where f and g are functions of x. Okay, this implies f of x into g of x, such that x belongs to a. Thirdly, f by g of x is equal to fx by gx, such that x belongs to a and g of x is not equals to 0. Okay, fine. Also, if a belongs to real number, then f to the power of a x is equal to f of x to the power of a for all x belongs to a. This symbol inverted a means for all values of something. Okay, for all values of x belonging to set a. Acha, if k is a constant, then kf of x is equals to k of k into f of x for all x belonging to a set A. Okay. Also, 1 by f of x is equal to 1 by fx for all x belonging to A if fx is not equal to 0 for all x belonging to A. Clear? Okay. So the next thing that we will going to discuss is what is limit. But today our time is up. So we will continue with limits in the second class. But both of you vote on one fact, that are you available tomorrow in the same time, or are you willing to do the a class tomorrow in uh, the same time as today? Since today there were a lot of actually disturbances. Are you available to do the classes tomorrow?